Hello guys, what you are looking at are two blank keys I got for the Hummer H2, and these are from eBay. And what I'm going to do here is I will try to have this programmed to work with my Hummer H2. So the process is pretty much straightforward. So what it calls for is for me to turn on the insert the key in the ignition without turning the key, and then I will press and hold the unlock button right here on the door panel, and while pressing that unlock button, which is right here, I will cycle the key to the on and off position quickly twice, and then I should be able to hear the doors cycle to the lock and unlock position automatically. That means I am in the programming mode, and then at that point I will press the lock and unlock buttons on the remote, and the doors should cycle, and I should repeat that for as many remotes as I have. And if the process is successful, I should hear the doors cycle also. There is a maximum of 4 remotes that can be programmed to each Hummer H2, and so for me I have just these 2 right here. The keys are not yet cut. I will take them to my local locksmith. I tried doing the same thing with my local Home Depot, the key for that Toyota Camry that you see out there, and they were not successful in programming, well, in cutting the key. They really messed it up. So luckily I didn't try with any of these, so I will be doing that tomorrow, Monday. Anyways, so I have the Hummer running right now. I really don't have a way of holding the camera while I go through the process, but I will just go through, and if it's successful I will show you guys the outcome. But if you follow the steps I outlined, which is insert the key, do not turn it on, press the unlock button on the driver's side, and then quickly cycle the key to the on off twice in quick rapid succession, and then you should be able to hear the doors cycle, meaning that the vehicle is ready to be programmed. Get the key, press the lock and unlock button simultaneously and hold it. These being brand new keys, it might take a little longer for the keys to program, and I understand it might take up to 5 minutes. And if it's successful, you should hear the door cycle, and then you repeat the process for as many key fobs as you have, up to a maximum of 4 per vehicle. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. I'll leave the camera running, that way you guys can hear exactly as I go through the process. Let's see if I can put the camera here. You guys won't be able to see much, but I'll leave it here and running. Here we go. The first key is programmed, as you guys heard. Took about 30 seconds. Second key is programmed. And turn the ignition on. And I'm out of programming mode. Alright, let's go ahead and test the first key. And it works. Nice. second key fob. Awesome. So that was a pretty straightforward process. It worked exactly like I described to you guys, and now I have my 2 key fobs that are programmed. Works perfectly. So it took about 30 seconds for the vehicle to recognize each of the key fobs. Let's make sure we can still start the vehicle without any issue and we haven't messed up anything. And it starts right up. Awesome. So now I have my 2 key fobs that are programmed, and I should be able to lock and unlock the vehicle as I approach. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys on the next video.